Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that I got at Ikea and some other home decor that I ordered online and bought at Target. I actually went to a Goodwill and I was able to find some really cute vases for my house, however you want to call it, vase, vase. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Alright, so if you guys are still here with me, I'm going to share with you this first buy. You guys could see I actually been eyeing, checking out different places to order this from, and I came across CB2. I've actually ordered from there before. So they had like these were on sale for $25 for the 3 stems. So I kind of just decided to finally go for it and just order them. I actually love I got the set of 3 and the color is ivory. I just love the color. They have 2 different ones. There's another one that's natural, which is a little bit more of like the color of my pants, like a little more tan color. These are a little bit kind of yellowy, like ivory. Like my wall is not that white. If you put it, looks pretty white here, but it's a really nice color. I wanted to try from a different website, so I actually placed an order yesterday from Etsy, and the color was different. It's like a natural color, so I want to see how those look, because I do want to put some in my room and others at the entry when you come in the house. So I got more. And my next find, I went to Goodwill and I found this vase. Look how beautiful this is. So it was in the color green, but as soon as I saw it, I was like, I'm gonna spray paint it and it's gonna look beautiful. I love the detail here on the top. I love it. It's just, and I only paid $4 for it, so it was a good steal. Another beautiful vase that I found at the Goodwill was this one right here. I actually saw a very similar one in H&M Home, and I was about to get it, and I'm so glad I didn't, because I went to the Goodwill and I found this one, and it's huge. Look how big this is, and I believe the one in H&M is not as big as this one, and I got this for $6. This is an amazing find. I love it. I don't know, I'm probably gonna keep it black because I just love how glossy it looks. So another steal. Okay, I'm gonna start with the vase. This is another vase that I got at Ikea. I love the detail line here. I don't know yet how I'm gonna style it. I have an artificial plant that I think I'm just gonna put here, and it's gonna look lovely. But I need to make, my plant is not that tall, so I want it to look more elevated, so I have to buy like a little plant stool so it could look taller. But I love this white one, and this one was actually $10. I decided to also get this eucalyptus stems. I've seen a lot of people use this around the house and it looks nice, and you could use it all year round, so you don't have to change. So I thought it was a good thing. I believe I paid $2.99 for these. And I'll put down this description and the names of everything in the box below, or I'll put a little picture here on the side for you guys could see and check them out. I found this little throw blanket at Ikea, and I just think it's so freaking cute. I love the color. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that word, but it's like an ivory color. I haven't even opened it yet because I just went yesterday and I wanted to make the video for you guys right away, so here you guys go. So let me open this and show you guys how it looks. Alright, so look at it. Look at this. I love the color. Love. So I'm gonna plan to use it. You could use it, you know, in your bed or in your sofa. Just love the color. I know you guys could see. Another find. I got this pillow cover in this, and this is the linen fabric, which I love, by the way. I love the way it feels, the way it looks. It looks expensive. It was actually the last one. I wanted to get two, but I couldn't find it. This is literally the last one. I got lucky. I was really dying to go to Ikea for a long time now, and I'm glad I went. They do have a lot of stuff or out of stock, so they've been trying to get inventory, but they just haven't been able to get a lot. I love the color of this. How beautiful. And the linen is gorgeous. I think I'm gonna use it in my bedroom. The size is 20. It's a huge size. I'm gonna have to order more pillow to insert, because this is, oh, I do have actually, so I actually do have. I love the color. I got are pillow covers, the standard for a queen bed, and this is also the same fabric as the other one, the linen fabric. I needed some new white ones for my pillows, so I was like, they were on sale for $1.99. I saw them when I was about to pay. They had them on the side, so I just picked them up. This is just a standard pillowcase. I love the color, the fabric. It's just gonna go so perfect with my bed right now, because it's like that beigey. It's not that white, pure white. It's like more of a beigey white, so it's perfect. It goes with the color of my bed. Another thing I got is this little basket. I know you've probably seen this basket around a lot of times, but I was thinking of doing a DIY and doing the macrame thing on the side. Sorry about that, it's the noise from the people upstairs. So I'm gonna do the macrame thing, the little fringe. It will look so beautiful, and it's gonna make it look more expensive and not just simple as this. And I'm thinking of also using it as a to put my plant on. I probably need to get a bigger plant, so a fake, because I cannot keep any plant alive. So I'm good at, I just want to get a fake plant, and then that way I don't have to worry about none of that, right? And that one was $10.99. And I also needed some regular white color, simple white ones, and I got two of those for the bathroom, because I just needed some white ones. I don't like the ones I have right now, and the color that I've been looking for I can't find anywhere, so for now I just got the white ones. Another beautiful thing that I got that I wanted to show you guys, I got this for my kitchen. I don't know yet what I'm gonna put on it, but I'm gonna be, like I told you guys before, I want to organize my kitchen cabinets. This will look so beautiful. So I bought two of these. We'll see how I'm gonna style it, don't know yet. And I also got a martini cup, because the ones I had, I broke them. They're so cute. And I ordered this from CB2, and it's a wine cup. It's the smaller one. They actually do have a bigger one, and I actually think this is a perfect size, but I do want to order the bigger ones. But when I went to Ikea, I actually saw that they have something very similar to this, and they have two different sizes, just like CB2. I just didn't get them because I don't know, I'm probably gonna get them. I kind of regret not getting them so I could show you guys, but I will put a picture right next to it so you guys could see that they're very, very similar. The only difference that I kind of noticed was that here They're not as tall as these. They're a little bit shorter. That's the only difference. But this, the style, the same. Exactly the same. And they have it for $1.99. And I think I saw $3.99 the bigger ones. So if you guys see them, you should just grab them because they look beautiful. I'm gonna put the two ones, the CB2 and the Ikea ones, if I can find a picture of it so you guys could see that they look very identical. You guys wanted the ones from CB2 cost, I believe they were $8.99. And another piece that I bought at Ikea is this little stool. You can use it as a side table or a stool. I'm actually using it as a side table, and I'm gonna put pictures on how I put it around my house. And let me see, did I get anything else? I actually got a bench, a wood bench for my entryway. I'm gonna show you guys how that looks. This is a wood bench that I got at Ikea. I just love the size. It's the perfect size for my entry. And this is my new, I actually changed the way it looked. And as you guys saw in the last video, but how beautiful is that? I love it. And it cost me $50. So it's a great buy, a great find. So another find that I actually was about to forget to mention is this Target wood, it's actual wood vase that I found. How beautiful is that? I just love how it looks. And I paid, it was a little pricey, but I am actually glad that I bought it. It was $25, $24.99, but I just love how it looks. So I also bought this desk at Ikea for my son so he could do his schoolwork since he's gonna be doing homeschool now. I just love the size. It's a perfect size and it goes with everything. Just love my son's room. I also got this rug at Ikea.
I'm trying to put the...
So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys loved and enjoyed every little single thing that I showed you guys. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next one. Bye.